Hi guys, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Now go to device unlock, select face and fingerprint and try unlock pattern. So now just click on fingerprint again and it's time to enter it. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located over here on the power button, so just here, so just tap on the sensor till and then you lift your finger up. Do it as many times as needed. You'll be informed on your home screen. Tap on done, and that's it. That will be all. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.